Welcome back. Now today I will be showing you how to, once we have embossed the basic things that you can see over here, and I have used this band-aid to make the curtains. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it once again, these embossing on them, gluing it with the silicone glue, and that will finish the whole embossing process for this frame. So I will just emboss it and show you. I'm using this silicone glue. This will be available to you from any of the hardware stores around your place. Even if you don't have the same brand, it's okay. You just go to an hardware store and say you want a silicone glue, and they will give you one of the ones available. So I'll just put some things over here. And I'm going to emboss this again so that it gives a look of a window plane. And this is the second one. Again, I'll squeeze it. Very less you can put, not much to be kept here, if you can see, and little. That's about it. So what we've done is we've done all the embossing. Now the next part is to make the flowers, the leaves, and over here. So what we'll do is we'll be making the roses, the leaves, and then how to stick them over here. So this is just to give you a better idea. Yeah, so finally the whole embossing part is complete, if you can see in this frame. And this frame is now ready. So we will keep this frame aside, and then we will start with making the roses.